Welcome. This is not just another motivational video. This is a mirror, a reset, a turning point. You didn't land here by accident. You clicked this because some part of you is tired. Tired of wasting time. Tired of being stuck in the same cycle. Tired of watching others move forward while you stay behind. Tired of the noise, the excuses, the fake smiles, and the silent pain. Maybe you've lost yourself. Maybe you've failed so many times that you don't even recognize who you are anymore. Maybe you smile in front of others, but deep down you're screaming, "This can't be my life." Let me tell you something, and let it sink in. You are not broken. You are not too late. You are not too far gone. You just need a reset. And this video is that reset. This isn't for people looking for hacks or shallow advice. This is for people who are ready to rebuild from the inside out. People who want to become someone their old self would be proud of. Who want peace, discipline, direction, and a reason to wake up again. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 7 powerful rules to reset your life. Not someday. Starting today. Each rule is based on truth, psychology, and real change. Take a deep breath. Forget the world for a moment. This is your time, because after this, you won't be the same. Rule 1. Go silent and rebuild in peace. True growth happens in silence. Not because you're hiding, but because inner work is loud and the world is distracting. Disengage, not from responsibility, but from noise. When you decide to change, the world will try to interrupt. Friends won't understand. Social media will compare your lowest to someone's highlight. But you're not here to explain yourself. You're here to rebuild. Silence gives you clarity, focus, and inner strength. In the quiet, you hear your true voice again. Rule 2. Reinvent yourself. Become unrecognizable in 6 months. There comes a point where you can't go back. You've seen too much, felt too much. The old version of you must be burned down. This isn't about a glow-up. This is about rebirth. You don't need to improve the mask. You need to drop it. Most people never reinvent. They live under labels handed to them. The failure, the lazy one, the average. But you get to write a new version. You change the way you think, walk, speak, dress, and expect. You look in the mirror and see a fighter, not a victim. Rule 3. Wake up early, before the world takes your time. The way you start your day defines everything. Most people wake up and get attacked by the day, scrolling, rushing, feeling behind. But what if you woke up early, before the pressure, before the noise? For one sacred hour, you own your life. You plan, breathe, reflect. You center yourself. You don't need to wake at 4 a.m. Just own the first hour. That hour is where your strength returns and your mind resets. Every morning becomes a message to yourself. I respect my time. I lead my day. Rule 4. Focus on one goal. Only. Distraction is a silent killer. It doesn't destroy all at once. It erodes you daily. One extra scroll, one more excuse, one more tomorrow, and suddenly 6 months are gone. The answer? Pick one goal. Give it violent focus. Not 5 rabbits, just one. Momentum is built through depth, not speed. Obsession, not multitasking. Focus gives you power. Rule 5. Talk less, work more. You don't need to post everything. You don't need applause. You need discipline in silence. Most people talk about change, but don't actually change. Talking is comfortable. Working is painful. But in pain lies transformation. When you work in silence, people start watching. You don't need their belief. You need consistency. Let your results speak. The world won't remember your words, only what you built. Rule 6. Practice daily gratitude. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude pulls you out of lack and into abundance. It grounds you, refocuses you, and makes you more present. It doesn't just make you feel better, it makes you act better. When you're grateful, you stop chasing and start attracting. Rule 7. Design your identity. Dress, speak, and act like your future self. Don't wait until success to act like the person you want to be. Become that person now. Carry yourself with that energy. Dress like them. Speak like them. Make decisions as they would. Identity isn't built when you arrive. It's built every day by showing up as who you're becoming. If you've come this far, this is no longer a video. This is your reset. No one is coming to save you, not your parents, not your friends, not a miracle. But that's not bad news. It's freedom, because now it's all in your hands. You don't have to wait. Pick one rule, just one, and start today. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience, scars, strength, and survival. That means your reset will be stronger than your first try ever was. Take a breath. Say it with me. I'm not lost. I'm rebuilding. I'm not broken. I'm just getting started. This is your time. This is your life. And your reset starts now.